Nasir. Sliding leg side, I think. Not out's the call from the man in purple.
Ali Nasir, he was really impressive in the last game. 50 runs, 3 wickets. Today he started well again. Couple of dot deliveries, 1 leg by.
That's a nice shape again. Going away from the left-hander. That's nicely bowled. Not the easiest delivery to bowl, that one. Around the wicket.
He's got a good firm action, good wrist position, good movement with the seam as well. And he's got a very good chance against Azan Owais.
Very similar, I think. And then delivery gets a little bit of movement away. That slips out of the cordon, down to third man. Full toss, punch down the ground. That's a good shot. That's driven for 4. It's a great start to the over.
Good confident shot from Azan Owais. Full toss, there to be hit with the full face of the bat. Excellent straight drive there. That should give him some confidence. He has been running low on confidence, has not been able to score runs.
Oh, it's a nice little punch again, and that's through. That's going to be a little bit of a teaser. Couple the result.
And this one even better. Because of the previous boundary, you can see there's much more confidence, much more stability, calmness with that shot. The fielder tried to stop it, but a couple of important runs, 6 of the first 2.
It's a solid shot again, nicely fielded.
It does seem like he likes to drive, and that is what he's getting at the moment. A lot of drives for him. Quite full. Again with the full face of the bat. That's good signs for Azan Owais. Good signs for Gujranwala Giant, who are looking to qualify for the top 4.
Oh, that's lovely. Very nicely played, and he's got full reward from it as well.
The bowler never looks happy, but this was quite intentionally played. It was not an edge, nothing that the bowler did. He played it with a lot of control. He knew that the third fielder was wide. He played it really fine. Excellent batting.
Yeah, he was annoyed, I think, by the fact that it went through the slips cordon for starters, but then also by the fact that third man just couldn't get around and track that. 10 off the over, last ball. That's where it's going to stay. 2 overs gone, 14 for no loss. Going hard down the ground, not quite out of the middle. Going to pick up a couple of runs, and that's probably all.
And that's the reason Tom Aspinwall has been promoted up the order, to clear that inner circle. Even though it was a miss hit, not from the middle of the bat, but he was able to clear it. And the relay fielder did it really well, because the cap was...
That's nicely played. It was pretty straight. That's why I was able to work it from a reasonably wide delivery angle. Couple more.
And this is where the captaincy will also come into play. It's a low track. There's not a lot of bounce. The mid-wicket fielder can be a little bit straighter. Let them play square of the wicket.
This pace bowling lineup for the Hunters has been a real concern throughout this tournament. Only 7 wickets amongst the quicker bowlers. The man in action himself is the guy that's picked up the most. A little 2-step. In the end, went nowhere.
The moment he saw him improvise, he bowled a slow one. From the back of his hand, the side of his hand. And that's why Ali Nasir, I do think, is a very good cricketer.
Ah, there we go. That's what he was edging to do, and he's put that out of the playing arena for 6 runs.
And that's the problem with bowling in the power play. You'd only have 2 fielders outside. He was trying to go full. The left-arm spinner bringing the ball in. There was no long on. There's a big area there. He hits it towards the cow corner because he knows there's only one mid-wicket, deep mid-wicket, and long off.
From Aston. Oh, he's gone the other way this time. I think it's a little bit high. The line's okay.
It doesn't look like that there was a bat involved.
It's fairly short. See how quickly it got on him. Then he get a chance to jam that bat down in time. Oh, wow, there we go. Up goes the finger.
Tom Aspinwall has to go back for 9. Gujranwala 27 for 1.
So now they need to keep going at this rate for a while. Just a shade around the 7 mark. That's a good shot from the skipper. Might go all the way to teaser. Nicely fielded. And good teamwork as well. That's really good fielding. Good work from those two.
That's been the issue with Muneeb. He offers some width, but this was a very good shot from Captain Uzair Mumtaz, and equally good in the field there. Ibrahim, he had a hand on it, and then Mohammad Zubair Jr. He did well to stop that one. Overall, they restricted the Giants just to 2 runs. Excellent fielding.
Oh, beautifully bowled. Nice hustling from Muneeb.
This ball stayed a bit low as well, and it came in. Tried to manage it on the back foot. Got the inside edge, toe edge of the bat.
Nice little punch. Got through that inner circle as well. Easily back for the second.
In a better place where the Raiders are currently at 4th. They need to do it in 16.5 overs. Lovely shot. A little bit leg side from Mohammad Zubair Jr. It's a lovely sweep shot, and it's a good afternoon to Tino.
Good afternoon, Corky. Now that's well played. He's made sure it's gone fine of the man at 45. You've seen these outfields all throughout this competition.
Oh, this is close. No. Just outside. What a lovely bit of headwear you're wearing today, Tino.
Thank you very much. This one just probably sliding down the leg side.
What sort of look are you trying to pull off today, Tino? The thing is, you see, in Birmingham at this stage, that is probably suitable because it's woolen. Here, not so good. End of the power play, 38 for 1.